Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up Fiat wallet on crypto. Full guide. Open the crypto. App and sign in, then tap accounts, choose Fiat wallet and select add funds. Follow on-screen prompts to link your bank, complete identity verification, and choose your preferred currency and funding method. I will explain common verification issues, transfer limits, and security tips so you can fund your Fiat wallet confidently and safely. Make sure your bank supports instant transfers and accepts transfers to crypto. Check account name matches your profile to avoid verification failures. Watch for micro deposit amounts and enter them precisely to confirm your bank quickly. Be aware of transfer limits and estimated times for ACH versus wire, and pick the option that suits your needs. Finally, enable two-factor authentication and review app permissions to keep your funds secure and accessible. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support future videos. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, pairs nicely with smarter fiat management and long-term planning. I use it as a mental model when moving funds between accounts, and I think you'll enjoy it too. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Check your account tier to see daily and monthly deposit limits before funding. Compare fees for ACH, card, and wire methods so you know net amounts arriving in your Fiat wallet. Consider timing to avoid funding during volatile market swings if you plan to buy crypto immediately. Keep documentation like bank statements handy for troubleshooting, and contact support if a transfer is pending longer than the stated window for your selected method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.